Now, earbuds are probably like a best friend, giving you motivation, accompanying you through ups and downs, but all those mean nothing if they don't fit right into your ears. We have here the Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A in our studio, and let's talk about it. Now, my best friend has always been the AirPods Pro because they fit really well in my ears, and also, especially when the ANC is being turned on, it's crazy. But all these changes when I first got my first pair of the Nothing Ear right here. So this Nothing Ear, I got it back in 2021, I think. It's been holding up pretty well until recently. I actually dropped it a couple of times. So if you can see right here, this thing, yeah, it's kind of wearing out. But nonetheless, the sound coming out from this Nothing Ear is still very good. It's just that I might have to find a way to glue it back and continue using it. So 3 years later, what has changed with the Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A comparing to my first pair of Nothing Ear? So in this video, we're going to go through with their designs. We're also going to talk about how well they fit, how they sound like. Okay, so first let's talk about design. So let's put this aside first. We have the Nothing Ear A in yellow and also Nothing Ear A in white. So this one, we shall call it the Nothing Ear 2024, which comes in white and black. So this is in white, and let's do the black one. So it's very easy to differentiate the Nothing Ear 2024. The white is transparent, and the black is black. And let's go ahead with the remaining two. This is actually my personal favorite because I love how it looks like. This yellow looks absolutely amazing. Finally, the Nothing Ear A in white. Looking at the design, the Nothing 2024 and the Nothing Ear A both have very different design. The most obvious one is that the Nothing Ear 2024 is squarish, very much similar to my first pair of Nothing Ear. The old one is bigger, the new one is slightly more handsome. And of course, the Nothing Ear A looks a bit more playful in my opinion, especially with this yellow tone. I love it. The white one looks slightly normal because it's white, but of course the dimension here is absolutely quite a lot smaller than the Nothing Ear 2024. Let's have a look at the earbuds. I think for the obvious, you can just go with the black and the yellow. As you can tell, this black feels really solid, and I quite like the black. It's the matte type, not the glossy type. As for the Nothing Ear A, this yellow color here, it comes in a glossy type of material. The stems on the Nothing Ear A is slightly longer than the ones on the 2024. So how do they differentiate this? The left side is with a white dot and the right side is with a red dot. How do they feel? Feels very, very snuggish. I like it. Wow. And it doesn't fall off your ears. So the fit is absolutely amazing. Okay, so to pair these earphones, all you need to do is download the Nothing X app. Make sure you also update it. You tap on the plus button here and it will scan. So once you have this thing open, just press and hold. And look at the animation right here. Just tap on it, set up the device. Pairing complete. As easy as that. Now it's already paired. So you can do a lot of settings here. Meet Ear A, single pinch to play and pause, answer, or to hang up calls. Double pinch, skip forward, decline incoming call. Triple pinch to skip or back. Pinch and hold for noise cancellation. The difference between the Nothing Ear A and my old Nothing Ear is that the stem, the old one you cannot pinch, you can only tap. With the new Nothing Ear, you can pinch it just like the AirPods. So here it says firmware update available. So I'll update it. Updating process are very tedious. Let's just wait for a while. Firmware update is done. There you go. So let's go ahead and pair the Nothing Ear 2024. I assume there's gonna be firmware updates, so be right back. Okay, so now we have both the Nothing Ear 2024 and Nothing Ear A connected. Firmware is updated. We're gonna go straight into testing how both of these earphones sound like, which one fits you more. Both these earphones, we have the bass enhance turned on, noise control turned on, and the controls, we're not gonna meddle with that. Equalizer is going to be simple, +6 on all mid, bass, and treble. How do you distinguish between knowing that your ANC is on or off? Is when you turn it on, there's a sound, but if you turn it off, there's always like a whisper sound to let you know that this transparency mode is on. We're gonna listen to the most trendy song, which is the Rosé and Bruno Mars Apatu. Oh, bass is good. The clarity is not bad. The mid is very well balanced. This is how the black looks like on your ear, and it fits really good. We'll stop at the bass here, and then let's try it with the Nothing Ear A. This Nothing X app, we can choose Nothing Ear A because we have both connected to the phone already. Continue to this song. Oh, okay. I see. There's actually quite a big difference. Let me listen to it a little bit more. So this is how it looks like with the yellow. I quite like it, huh? Okay, to summarize both differences between the Nothing Ear 2024 and the Nothing Ear A, I think that the output coming out from the earbuds on the Nothing 2024, on average, it sounds a lot more out there compared to the Nothing Ear A. If we don't compare it side by side like that, both sounds are equally good, the bass are equally good, but if you compare it both side by side, like what I just did right there, it feels like on the same volume output, the Nothing Ear 2024 somewhat feels more wholesome. I guess that's why this Nothing 2024 price is slightly more than what we get on the Nothing Ear A. Wow, these names are confusing. Nothing Ear 2024, the black one, and Nothing Ear A on the yellow one. So both of these earbuds, I would say the sound, judging from the clarity, the bass especially, is really good. But if I were to choose between these two, it's hard because the Nothing Ear 2024 sounds a lot more wholesome. Like the bass for both these earbuds, they sound really good. It's just that if I have to choose, I would go for the Nothing 2024 based on the sound quality. But to feel trendy and the colorware, I would go for the Nothing Ear A because yellow striking, looks really fun and trendy. Both sounds good. The bass, the clarity, everything is very well balanced, but the biggest difference I can tell from testing these earbuds is that the Nothing 2024, somewhat it feels like the output is more out there. Same volume, same song, same settings, but when I switch from the Nothing 2024 to the Nothing Ear A, Nothing Ear A sounds a little bit lower, like the gain is somewhat lower. Both earbuds are good, they sound good, they fit well. I guess it's just down to your preference, the color choice that they have. Nothing 2024, there's only black and white. Nothing Ear A, there's black, a yellow, and also white. It's not all pros with the Nothing earbuds. There's also one minor con that I found. All these settings which you can actually set on the Nothing X app for the controls part. You could double pinch to skip track, you could triple pinch to go back to your last track, or when you press and hold, you can turn the ANC on and off. It's just that comparing these new Nothing earbuds with my old ones, the old ones you get to do all that, it's just that you don't have the pinch function, but you get to tap and you also get to scroll this side. So if you were to scroll it up like that, you turn the volume up. You scroll it down like that, it turns the volume down. But with the new earbuds, you cannot actually control the volume like that. You can only either choose pinch and control. The pinch and hold button here, either you get to choose to turn on and off for the noise control, or to choose a volume up and down or voice assistant, which basically means there's quite a number of steps to meddle in the app. You can either set the volume to go up on your left earbud and the volume to go down on your right earbud. But once you do that, you're not able to turn the noise control on and off, which you can only use the app to do it. If they're able to retain what they've done with the original Nothing earbuds here, to slide the volume to go up and to go down, which unfortunately is not available on both of these, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know how to do that, let me know in the comments section below. Okay, so in summary, I personally think both of these earbuds sounds good. There's a slight difference in price. Nothing Ear 2024 is priced at Ringgit Malaysia 659, while the Nothing Ear A is priced at 479. So there's almost 200 ringgit difference. I think that if you're on a budget, you could probably go with the Nothing Ear A because the color is nice. And it's small, it's compact. But if you have slightly more budget and you're also an audio head, this Nothing Ear 2024 is probably the way to go. Either ways, the price for both of these is also a lot more cheaper than the AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro's price usually just go for Ringgit Malaysia 1,099 ringgit. So you save quite a bit there. You save like 40% if you go with the Nothing Ear 2024. You save even more with the Nothing Ear A. Get more colors. We've been talking a lot about how we could get AirPods Pro in black, but they never came out with that. So yeah, if you're on a budget, you could try these out. It's pretty good. Good fit, they sound good, looks different because of the transparent design. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions regarding these earbuds, you can always leave comments at the section down below, and I'll be more than happy to reply them. Till then, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.